Okay, this is the area drain at the base of the garage. I didn't put the address on this video. I pushed out just to kind of see if I could get through it. I didn't think I could. And so what we have here is there's some water in the, look, if you can see this, that is the trap. And so it's pretty normal to have it trapped before it goes into the line, like into the sanitary line. And so I just wanted to kind of show, it is full of debris. This is pretty normal. You could have this cleaned out, but this is pretty normal on an area drain like this to have this much debris because it doesn't have, just because all the stuff is going down this area drain, and it's pretty big holes. So of course all the water comes down, it picks up the leaves and the sand out of the, and it looks like there's a lot of sand in here. And so, yeah, it might be a good idea. You could probably get this jetted. Try to get all that debris out. It would help it flow easier if it's running slow. But I can't get past that trap where it dumps in. But anything, cleaning it should help. But you want to make sure that you keep any kind of big debris out of this drain so that it flows and stays open. So it probably can handle some. But under a heavy rain, it's something that you might want to watch. I don't know why there's so much sand here. It could have been something that they did to try to, looks like they patched this with concrete, but there looks like there's like weep holes in the side of the retaining walls that may be bleeding out some of the sands. Could have been a number of things, but at any rate, you want to make sure that you keep these things clear. And it is full of junk. That is normal, and the water's getting through it. It just is not to full capacity, and so you could have it, jetted to try to get some of that material out. But then you probably have to flush out the sanitary line also once that's done, because this is most likely, well, I know it is. This goes into the sanitary line, and that's why it's trapped. That's why it had that water level. It has a U underneath there that holds water that keeps the sewage stink from coming out of this drain. But at any rate, it is open, just full of pretty normal, ground debris that gets into these drains. So that's going to end this section of the inspection.